Alright, so I'm going to have you do some simple subtraction problems. And I know that y'all aren't doing that right now. Y'all are doing multiplication of decimals, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, has Miss Webb, made y'all do subtraction at all?
Kind of.
Kind of?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. You already started. Before you go to the next one,
Mm-hmm.
how did you know to add?
It says Pam has 135 stickers. John has 5 more stickers. How many stickers does Pam have now? Oh no. Wait, no, that would be right. He gave her 15 more.
Okay, yeah. So how did you know to put a 1 there?
Because it's 10, so you have to bring it over.
Good job. Good job. The second one, you can do that if you're ready. And also you can use any of the blocks or the base 10 cube things.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to use paper, but you can if you want to. So, how did you get 23?
Because 101 minus 77 is 22. And you can't do 1 minus 7, so you have to go over. And you can't do 0 because there's nothing to 0, so you have to accept the 1, make it a 0, accept the 0, make it a 10, and then you have to exit out, make it a 9, and then you get a 10, and then you subtract.
So I noticed that you did your borrowing before you put the numbers down here. Did Miss Webb teach you that, or did you just...
I learned it from 3rd grade and 4th grade.
3rd grade. Okay, cool. All right, number 3. Before you go there, can you walk me through how you got 99?
So I did 142 minus 43, and you can't do 2 minus 3, so you X out the 4, make it a 3, and then so that the 2 became a 12, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. So you subtract that, and it would be 9. And then you can't do 3 minus 4, so you X out the 1 and make it a 0. And then it's already 3. You can't make it a 3 go minus 4, so you accept the 1, make it a 0, make that a 13, and 4 minus 13 is 9.
You're pretty fast. Do you like math?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it better than reading?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
It's easier.
It's easier for you?
Mm-hmm.
How's it easier for you?
Because I've practiced multiplication, subtraction, addition, and division, stuff like that.
Okay, cool. Did you work out these problems the same way? Although they were like in a different way. So walk me through these problems, or the problems since they're the same.
Okay, so it's 107 minus 36. So you do 7 minus 8. You can't do that. So you go to the 0. So you mark it out because you can't do it. And then you go to the 1, make it a 0, make the 0 a 10, then you mark it out, make it a 9, and make the 7 a 17. And then 17 minus 8 is 9. And then 9 minus 3 is 6.
Is subtraction easy for you?
Mm-hmm.
Is multiplication easy for you? Like decimals?
No.
No.
I can do addition like this. That goes more.
You can just write it on the side. It's okay.
It's easy for me to do like.
Wow. You're pretty fast. Yeah, I haven't done that type of multiplication since like I was in high school, middle school. Wow. So like what makes subtraction easier?
Well, subtraction isn't my thing that I'm easy at. I'm good at multiplication and addition. I just try to do good at subtraction and division. It's hard for me.
Is subtraction harder for you than division? Or is division harder?
Division is harder.
Yeah, I agree. I think subtraction is like obviously harder than addition, but definitely not as hard as division. All right, so for number 6, you can try to use those if you want to. You don't have to.
Can you think of other ways to solve the last question? I can make you one?
Yeah, but we're not there yet.
Yeah.
We're not there yet. And like, has Miss Webb ever made y'all play with the cubes and the stuff?
We've done it before.
You all did have that? Okay, cool. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like to like handle physical objects?
Mm-hmm.
To like do math problems?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to try it with this problem?
This?
With like that problem? I don't think you'll need that because that's 1,000, and the problem is 107 minus 38. So I think that's a big number.
That's right.
Do you know what the name of those blocks are called?
A flat, a 10th block, 1,000 block, and 1 block.
Oh, wow.
What I call them.
So are you counting out 107?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that pile is 107. What's that pile?
38.
38. How did you know that 38 was made of those blocks? You don't know? Like how many did you say that the longs were, or the sticks? Like how many blocks are in that?
10.
10.
And then there's just one, and then there's 1,000.
That's a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's only 6. That's 600.
Well, I think it's 1,000. There's like 600 on the surface, but there are some blocks like on the inside that you can't see. That make 1,000. Yeah.
Cut it in 6.
Maybe when the blocks get old, Miss Webb will cut it for you.
Probably like this. So 100. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's probably like this. Done. Done.
Yeah, I think you're right. What you doing now? You adding more 100 to that?
It fell.
It fell. All right, let's get back to the problem.
This is hard. Wait, this is 7. Let's do it back again.
What are you doing to the 1 blocks?
I'm putting it with the 100.
Why?
Making it 100.
Okay. And you're doing the same thing to the 38?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And as you're doing the problem with these blocks, walk me through it so I can know how you're thinking.
I don't honestly know how to do it with this.
Okay, yeah. Can you like figure out how to do it with that?
Nope.
No. Maybe you could try the Unifix cubes, or you don't have to. Yeah, you could try those since, see, like with these you can't pull them apart, but with that you can, if that's easier for you.
I try.
Okay, cool. You can put them on your desk. I'll put this on the side.
Okay.
And then, like, you can walk me through how to do it with those. Rebecca. Is there a reason why you're pulling them apart? Cool. Those are a lot of cubes. Are you trying to make them to equal 107? No. I got it.
So this is 38 and that's 106.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of blocks. I'm proud of you for counting all that.
I gotta stick them all together.
Are you trying to make like an entire stick out of
I'm making the
107?
stick of it, and then
Okay.
I'm gonna make the stick of the other one and put them together and so stick it up.
Oh, okay. I like that. If it gets too high for you to hold, you can use the floor if you want to.
Mm. Oh, that worked.
It didn't break. Do you like this better than using pen and paper? Why is that?
It's fun.
It's fun.
Mhm.
More fun than the pen and paper.
Mhm.
Does it help you to like visualize the problem?
Mhm.
Yeah. Is this better problem of the day? I'm glad you are liking this.